Hi, Sonia. Hey, Mika, are you still there? All right, good. Okay, I'll let it set for just a second. And all right, just give me 1 second. I'll just quick share. And maybe we'll do it on Facebook and share that. All right, so it's set, and I'm going to using the magentics here. It is so pigmented. You share on the group. So with this purple, I am going to just using one coat because it's so pigmented, and I don't want it to just overpowers of the pink. You can see that I just spilled tons of them in here. And only I need to do, it's gonna be fun today. I have so many ideas, so many cool things. So crystal clear, that's all I need. Also, this one you will receiving it free when you're using a code special for virtual treat shows. You don't need any other brush, just your crystal clear. Hey Sonia, hi Nail Takes. Thanks so much for tuning in, everyone. Happy Thursday. And I'm just like, okay, so I'm gonna show it right here so you can see it, like I doing it, and then before I dip it back into the bottle. So if you want to create some fun veins for that, just work it towards, you know, like from outside in, and gently blend it. You don't have to do a lot, because if you dip it in too much of crystal clear, it's might bleeding all of your fusionings away. Your marble looks might be bleedings and not look sharp again. And keep in mind when you do is marble looks, none of them are identical. So if the client's getting like a 10 fingernails with this, it doesn't look exactly the same. 100%. It might look similar. And I keep wipe it off on my piece of paper. You can do your veins really sharp thin, or you can do your veins a little bit like however you prefer, okay? And the darker colors, you probably want to do less crystal clears. You don't want to too much. So today I am going to using a little bit different. If you have your golden touch, which is come in the triple gel spazzle, you look deep in that virtual treat shows on that category, you see this in your kit spazzle there for you. If you don't have that, then check them out. But if not, I'm showing you a different way to doing it. I'm going to using a black gel painting precision brush first. And then I will just, you know, when you do this, you don't have to be in like perfect line it up. Just make sure you are just soften look and move your like, so it doesn't look like a straight line. It looks like really like a zigzag line. It doesn't have to be really like perfect stuff. So then now I am going to give this one for probably 10-second flash cue. Just 10 seconds. And now I haven't done this back for a long time. And everybody love this style. Where are my palettes? I'm gonna have my painting palettes here. And with premium IHO transfer foil, and then I will just give it one drop right there, just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. And twin tip brush, and I'm going to using the thinner side, which is take you to a liner brush. So I am going to sorry, I'm trying to get, can you move this one? Think maybe I can get it straight. There you go. And you just draw along with the veins. And now we're gonna key this one for 30 seconds. I might use it in just a little bit, so I'm leaving it on the side. And you can get any pieces of, I'm gonna take one of this, the bright hollow ones, and just cut it in smaller pieces. Just my Chanel there. Yeah. I need that Chanel one. I just dropped my design. Where is that? Oh, sorry. I said, what? I'm losing that my. All right, so just cut the smaller piece. You can get longer if you want to. Just lay it. And using your tweezers. Ever first time you were receiving this, even with your treasure box of really mystery treasure box, I see even some of them already like getting so many of treasure box for the butterflies and designer. You absolutely have so many. You have no ideas of what you're gonna get, and also you get free tweezers as well. So I'm so excited for whoever get it. So if you're thinking of getting all of your designer stickers and foil, you haven't get chance to get the hands on it, I will like definitely gonna check it. Look at that. Hey, thank you, Mika. Look, so if you like it, you leave it there. If you don't have golden touch, but if you have, also this chamfer foil gels, a premium iHo chamfer foil gel, also in the combo of the triple gels. So check that out too. And then when you get that, you also get receiving a free chamfer foil pack. We've been like really busy and then helping a lot of like water out, so then if you haven't get a hands on it, I would definitely check it out. Don't miss that, because it only happens on our virtual treat show. Every single virtual treat show is gonna be a different. So I don't know, I kept debating between this one and this. Flower or Chanel's? Maybe the other one for Chanel's. Hey Bonita, hey Karen. Chanel for next one? Okay, whatever. Oh, I don't like it. Sorry. I thought I would like it, but I think it's blending so well, I guess. No. I can do this. I say, wait a minute. I think it's better. And I'm gonna layer them on the top with the butterflies. Even this one is pretty by itself. If you don't want anything else, just top coat and you are good to go, I think. Because I think is if you don't want anything else, just top coat and good to go. I put this on. Layer them. If you don't have to, if you want, you can layer them on. And then I'm gonna get the stickers, butterflies. You don't know how amazing you will get in your treasure box. So that is such a great deal. We did it special for all of you for the love and support. Also, is special for all the nail tech, all the beginners, for all of you who love a lot of stickers and really want to get a hands on it. And then there are so many choices from ours company. Like we'll have over probably almost 200 different type of stickers. So this is one of the way to get a lot of stickers on your hands with, you know, without breaking your bank. So I would grab that box before the special gone. We see a lot of that's cool. I want to save some spot for some glitter then. Crystal, I'm sorry. So okay, so I'm gonna do some crystal placements. And let's use our condensed glue gel because this is gonna make sure that it will stay on really well. Alright, so really thin coat. If you're first time using condensed glue gels, you might notice that it's like really thick density, which is normal. Just basically blend it and you'll be fine. Just don't using it too much or too little, because too much is gonna flood your crystal, and also too little is not gonna hold your crystal stay on a nice place. I am using is the no wipe top coat right here. This is the second step of 3-step methods to adhere crystal. Really amazing, and keep all the crystal in one place. Yesterday with Sarah was sharing it's one of the her designs that she did with 3D flowers, 3D crystals. Did you see my crystal? I thought I'm losing it. What's your colors already? I'm using pumpkin spice, believe or not. Just a couple. And smaller size. I'm probably using like size SS3 and then SS6. I just want just a little hint of crystal. It was fun yesterday. Hope everyone enjoying it. We will definitely have it again in the future. Such a fun, and it's like a marathons of all different episodes and segments. I'm really enjoying it. I am so thrilled and really grateful for all of you tuning in, and hope you enjoy it as well. So I want to cover that dragonflies. I think it's dragonfly. Alright, so if you're happy with this, you can absolutely cure this one. But I need one more beads before I can cure them. You don't have to put crystal on. If you want to, that's great. If not, not a big deal. This is super simple, easy. Maybe I save it on the end. Just a little bit. I will do the smaller ones because there's so much fun and gorgeous going on right now in the nails. I wouldn't want to cover everything. The silver. Something on the tip of my great. So we're gonna cure this one's for is 60 seconds.